friends, my name is Suhail Saudagar, and today date is 11th November, 12th November 2022, and today topic is method and constructor. So I will start. What is a method? A method is nothing but a collective set of code which is addressed by name, can be called by any point to perform the same specific task. The return the result. It is method unable to return to the value. The return type must be void. It simple returns a method nothing but a set of instruction, and when is called a set of instruction within nothing set of instruction, and when he is called instruction with the method is execute. Each method is referred to by the own name. When method is called by any point with the program is execute, and when purpose it done execution return to the part of the program it where was called method. Method are great several allow the reception representation and certain section of the code without actually reporting the code. Reporting the code. Method means first class object and method means object's behavior. Which types of behavior they can perform, this called in method. That means a class. Animal is a class. Example, real time example, animal is a class, and cat is object. But method, cat can run, cat eat, run and eat, that behavior is a method. So next point is a constructor. What is a constructor? A constructor is a similar to a method except it does not have a return type. All variable in a class must be initialized every time in a constant created, which can be tedious times because the frequent initialization and the allow automatic initialization through the use of constructor, which is called when instance and object created. Constructor the often referred the special types of method in a Java like method. Constructor contain of instruction are executed each time object created. It is used to initialize object immediately. There are executed each time object created. It is used to initialize object immediately after creation and his same name in the class, which reduce. Unlike method, constructor have no return types. There are three types of constructor. Constructor with a return type, default constructor, and a constructor with a argument. Thank you.